Good night, everyone. Today I will be presenting exercise 6-7. The first part of this question asks us to calculate the weighted average unit cost. To find the weighted average unit cost, we would first find the total units available for sale. And we find that by adding the opening inventory or the beginning inventory. We're going to add that to the purchases 343 and 217, which gives us a total of 673. The total cost of these units that are available for sale is 565 added to 2058 and 1519, which gives us a total of $4,142. So $4,142 divided by 673 units gives us 6.155. That is the weighted average unit cost. The second part of the question asks us to compute the cost of the ending inventory and the cost of goods sold under FIFO, LIFO, and average cost. To find the cost of ending inventory and the cost of goods sold, we would first find how many units were sold within the period. We know that 673 units were available, and we're told that our ending inventory at June 30 was 221, which gives us a total of 452 units were sold within the period. Now that we know that 452 units were sold, we can then apply FIFO, which is first in, first out. This means that all the goods and all the units that were in the beginning of the month would be sold first. So on June 1st we had 113, and on June 12th 339 of the 343 units that were available were sold, which gives us a total of 452 units that were sold. The remainder that is left in ending inventory is 4 units from the 12th of June and 217 units from the 23rd of June, which gives us ending inventory of 221 units. Now that we know that 217 units from June 23rd was not sold and 4 units from June 12th was not sold, we can then find the total ending inventory. So it's 217 times 7, which is the cost of the unit that we paid, gives us 1,519, and 4 units at $6 would give us $24. The total of ending inventory cost would be $1,543. So the ending inventory is 1,543. Cost of goods available for sale is, we've already established, that is 4,142. 4,142. And the cost of goods sold is equal to cost of goods available for sale minus ending inventory, which gives us 2,599. So for FIFO, the cost of ending inventory is 1,543, and the cost of goods sold is 2,599. Now we're going to be doing the ending inventory and the cost of goods sold for LIFO. LIFO is the exact opposite of FIFO. LIFO is last in, first out. So the last items that were purchased would be the first items that would be sold. We already know that the total units available for sale was 452. We already know that the total units that were sold were 452. So on June 23rd, all those units that were purchased last, which is 217, would have been sold, and of the June 12th purchases, 235 would have been sold, which gives us a total of 452 units that were sold. The remainder of the units that weren't sold would be the units that were first purchased. So the purchases of June 1st, which is 113, and 108 of the 343 of June 12th purchases would not have been sold, which gives us a total of 221 units that sold. So we know that the units for June 1st is 113 that weren't sold, and June 12th was 108 units that weren't sold. Their unit cost is $5 and $6. So the unit cost is $5 and $6. Total cost is units times the cost per unit which then gives us a total cost of ending inventory of 1,213. So the total cost is 1,213. The goods available for sale, the cost of goods available for sale is 4,142. The cost of goods sold is equal to cost of goods available for sale minus ending inventory, which gives us 2,929 cost of goods sold. So in LIFO, the cost of inventory is 1,213, and the cost of goods sold is 2,929. The last part of the question asks us to do the average cost. To find the average cost is very simple. We take the ending inventory and we multiply the ending inventory by the weighted average cost, and we had already established that to be 6.155, which gives us a total of 221 units at 6.155 will give us 1360. So the ending inventory cost would be 1,360. The cost of goods sold is 4,142, and the cost of goods sold is the cost of goods available for sale minus the ending inventory cost, which gives us 2,782. So the cost of goods sold is 2,782 and the cost of ending inventory is $13.60. So there you have it, the weighted average unit cost, the cost of ending inventory, and cost of goods sold at FIFO, LIFO, and average cost. I hope that you understood and that you liked the video. Thank you.